I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to withdraw money from your Telefonica account, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Telefonica account by entering your username and password on the official website or app. Step 2. Navigate to the Withdrawals section. Once logged in, find the Withdrawals or Funds Transfer section in the main menu. This is usually located under Account Settings or Finance. Step 3. Select Withdrawal Method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Enter withdrawal amount. Input the amount you wish to withdraw. Double check that you have sufficient balance to cover this amount, as some methods may have minimum withdrawal limits. Step 5. Confirm withdrawal. Review your withdrawal details and confirm the transaction. You should receive a confirmation message or email once the process is complete. Remember to keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding the status of your withdrawal. If you follow these steps, you should have no trouble accessing your funds. Happy withdrawing!